The ultimate guide to succeed in dry January. Dry January is a popular challenge where participants abstain from alcohol for the entire month. It's a powerful reset for your body, mind, and habits. Whether you're doing it for health, mindfulness, or just to see if you can, this guide will help you navigate the month successfully. Why try dry January? Health benefits: improved sleep, better hydration, weight loss, and reduced risk of long-term diseases. Mental clarity: boost focus, reduce anxiety, and feel more present. Financial savings: noticeable savings from skipping nights out or drinks at home. Empowerment: prove to yourself that you can take control of your habits. 1. Set your goals and intentions. Write down why you're doing dry January. Is it for better health? More energy? Saving money? Visualize how you want to feel by February 1st. Keep your reasons visible, like a note on your fridge or a reminder on your phone. 2. Prepare ahead of time. Remove temptations. Clear your home of alcohol to reduce temptation. Stock up on alternatives. Invest in non-alcoholic beverages, such as mocktails, sparkling water, or herbal teas. Plan your social calendar. If you often drink socially, plan alcohol-free activities like hikes, coffee dates, or movie nights. 3. Arm yourself with strategies. Have a go-to response. Practice saying, "I'm doing dry January for my health," if offered a drink. Avoid triggers. Identify situations or emotions that make you want to drink, and plan alternative coping mechanisms. Create new rituals. Replace wine o'clock with a soothing evening tea or a relaxing bath. 4. Track your progress. Use apps. Apps like Try Dry or others designed for habit tracking can help monitor your journey. Journal daily. Write down how you feel, what you're proud of, and any challenges you faced. Celebrate wins. Acknowledge milestones, like completing your first weekend or 2 weeks. 5. Stay connected. Find a support group. Join online forums or social media groups for dry January participants. Involve friends. Challenge a buddy to join you, making it a shared experience. Communicate. Let close friends and family know you're doing dry January and ask for their support. 6. Prepare for challenges. Cravings. Replace the urge to drink with an activity. Take a walk, meditate, or have a healthy snack. Social pressure. Firmly but kindly stick to your decision. A simple "I'm good, thanks" works wonders. Slip-ups. If you have a drink, don't give up. Reflect, refocus, and keep going. 7. Reward yourself. Save the money you'd spend on alcohol and treat yourself at the end of the month. A spa day, new outfit, or a nice dinner. Celebrate your accomplishment with friends who supported you. With mocktails, of course. 8. Reflect on the experience. Take time on January 31st to reflect on how you feel compared to the start of the month. Decide how you want to approach alcohol going forward, whether it's moderation or continuing an alcohol-free lifestyle. Mocktail Recipes to keep it fun. 1. Cucumber mint cooler. Mix cucumber slices, mint leaves, lime juice, and soda water. 2. Cranberry spritzer. Combine cranberry juice, orange slices, and sparkling water over ice. 3. Tropical sunset blend pineapple juice, coconut water, and a splash of grenadine. By setting clear intentions, preparing for potential challenges, and staying committed to your goals, you'll come out of dry January stronger and more confident. Cheers to a healthier, happier you. Comment if you would like tips on specific challenges or mocktail ideas for your dry January journey.